Hello guys! Welcome back to the Homies channel. My name is Michelle. This behind me that you see is my puppy, which name is Reggae. I'm calling him Reggae Dog. He's 4 years old, and from 4 years, since he was a little pup, we are partners in crime. So we're going to watch for the first time in our lives John Wick. And if you want to see us how we part in crime, you can check the link down below. It's our Instagram. Let's see if we're gonna like John Wick. Oh, what an amazing view. Oh, I love his apartment already. Ah, something happened to his wife. She died.
My condolences. How you holding up? I keep asking why her. There's no rhyme or reason to this life. What are you really doing here, Marcus? Just checking up on an old friend.
John Wick?
Yes?
Sign here, please. John, I'm sorry I can't be there for you.
Oh,
But you still need something, someone to love. So start with this, because the card doesn't count. I love you, John.
baby. Oh. Oh, he got it so fast, serious. I can't. Daisy.
Of course.
I'm always taking my dog everywhere. There's not a place on earth that I want to be without. It's not going to happen if I'm not with my dog. I take him to the mountain, to the beach side, even to work, to watch movies together.
Nice ride. Mustang. Boss 429. How much? Excuse me? How much for the car? She's not for sale. Oh, I love dogs. Give good day, sir.
What the fuck? Are those the Russians? Eh. Reggie, don't watch. Close your eyes. For one car? Are you for real? For one car? Oh no, the puppy died. No. Oh.
Where'd you get that car?
He's even still with the t-shirt.
Is it here? It was. I asked you, where the hell did you get it? Who gives a shit? Yosef Tarasov nicked it. Vigo's son. Yeah. You don't know me, punk. I work with your father, all right? The owner of the car. Did you kill him or what?
No. He sure as hell fucked up his dog.
You fucked up his dog. That's what you did. You fucked up his dog. That's crazy shit, man. Oh, look at you. It's great. You're gonna come into my shop and you're gonna pull a gun on me. That's great, man. Come on. Now you kill me right now, or you get the fuck out of my shop.
I need a ride.
I heard you struck my son. Yes, sir, I did. Yeah, may I ask why? Yeah, well,
So he can know his lesson.
stole John Wick's car, sir, and killed his dog.
I'm interested now. Is he gonna punish him or his son?
Psycho.
It's not what you did, son, that angers me so. It's who you did it to.
Who? The fucking nobody?
Ah!
That fucking nobody is John Wick. We call him Baba Yaga.
Baba Yaga.
The boogeyman? Well, John wasn't exactly the boogeyman. He was the one you sent to kill the fucking boogeyman. Oh, John is a man of focus, commitment, sheer will. Something you know very little about. I once saw him kill 3 men in a bar with a pencil. With a fucking pencil. So I made a deal with him. I gave him an impossible task. A job no one could have pulled off. The bodies he buried that day of what we are now. And then my son, a few days after his wife died, you steal his car and kill his fucking dog.
Father, I can make this right.
Oh, how do you plan that?
By finishing what I started.
What the? I didn't hear a fucking word I said.
Papa, я все исправлю, пожалуйста.
Dios, my son. John will come for you.
Fuck.
I heard about your wife. I'm sorry. My condolences. It's, seemed to be fate. Or happenstance, or just bad fucking luck caused our paths to cross once again. Let us not resort to our baser instincts and handle this like civilized men to move on.
No. That shit ain't working on him.
What do you say? Enough.
I'm the same about my dog. For this year, I'm gonna give my life if I have to. For 1 second. Wow. Eight, 9. I lost count. He's good. Wow.
I'd like to make a dinner reservation for 12.
Good to see you, John.
Charlie?
I get the dinner for 12. Fuck.
Goodbye, Charlie.
John.
Imagine to clean your home after you kill 12 people and you to continue having dinner on it and to sleep like a baby.
Put a contract on John Wick. How much? 2 million. I have a job for you. And I've got a phone. Would you kill John Wick for $2 million? Consider it done. Thank you, Marcus. I know I can trust you.
Whoa.
Good seeing you again, John.
I have you for 2 nights. Depending on business, it may be more. Of course, sir.
Come here.
Ooh. Nice place.
Hello, Winston. Jonathan.
Oh, his voice.
As I recall, weren't you the one tasked to dole out the beatings, not receive them? Rusty, I guess. Yosef Terosov. What about him? I'd like to talk with him. A talk? You say? I'm familiar with the parlors, Jonathan. Where do I find him?
Hey, works at the Continental.
How is life on the other side?
It was good, Eddie. Far better than I deserved. Hello, Francis. Mr. Vic.
Типу худел.
20 килограммов.
Да, впечатляет.
Are you here on business, sir?
Afraid so, Francis. Why don't you take the night off?
Where's Yosef? Bathhouse! Downstairs! Crawl, my human soul.
Fuck or not. You die. He killed half of the place and you already know it's there. Bravo. Wow. And everybody's still dancing. So many people had to die for you. You fucking bastard. Just because for one car. So many lives. Come on. Ah. Ah. That's how you empty a club as fast as you can.
Good evening, Mr. Wick. Good evening. How may I be of service?
Is the doctor in?
Yes, sir. 24/7.
Send him up, please.
Yes, sir.
How good's your laundry?
I'm sorry to say that no one's that good.
No, I thought not.
May I suggest a drink, sir? Bourbon, perhaps.
That sounds perfect.
How calm he is.
Your stitches will tear, and you'll bleed. But you'll have full function. anything for the pain?
No, I've got that covered.
Bourbon. Ah. Whoa. What the hell?
Hey, John.
Perkins?
I thought I let myself in.
I noticed.
Well, he's a guy.
Miss Perkins got out of bed for less than 3.
Vigo's giving me 4 to break hotel rules.
It's on Lois, I assure you.
What the fuck? Ow! That wasn't very beautiful.
Yes. I apologize for calling you at this hour, but we have received a number of grievances from your floor concerning the noise.
My apologies. I was dealing with an uninvited guest.
No.
Where's Yosef?
Fuck you.
Where's Vigo?
I'm not telling you shit.
Do you really want to die here, Perkins? Give me something.
Little Rush. There's a church near Cannon Court.
What about it?
It's the front. It's where Vigo keeps his private stash.
Thank you.
And yet she died.
My son, how might I help you?
Motherfucker! Ty znajesz na kawok ty brioche?
Open it.
Ja stop du meiest, de minja moest zo stijf als de kriet.
Ladies, out.
Honestly, what do you think you're going to do with all of that?
This.
Oh. Good choice.
You've broken the rules. You've done business on continental grounds. And management does not take kindly to that sort of behavior.
Fuck management.
Oh my god. Ouch.
I say this, John. The sure as fuck broke the mold with you.
Do you know what was in that vault? Artwork cash, not without its worth, but the leverage I had on this city. Audio recordings, physical evidence, blackmail was fucking priceless! Priceless!
son. And believe me, you had a far better deal. And then you left. Give me your son. John Wick. It was just a fucking car, just a fucking dog.
You don't speak like this to dogs. It's just your fucking son.
Ellen died, I lost everything. Until that dog arrived on my doorstep. A final gift from my wife. In that moment, I received some semblance of hope.
People keep asking if I'm back, and I haven't really had an answer. But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back. So you can either hand over your son.
Wow. That's not really fair. Fuck. No escaping from that. Boom, 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 boom.
Cool it, cool it, cool it, cool it, cool it. John! Shit!
In the big shit?
I have your word then if I tell you where he is. You let me walk away.
Pull the contract.
Done. It's kept in a safe house, Brooklyn, 434 Wallace Place.
Is he smoking pot? Ah. Yeah, you have to chew in this moment.
Stop playing a fucking video game.
Explosion! Take your consequences, boy. Dogs don't like people like you. Иди нахуй. Oh my god. If those were your last words.
Make the arrangements.
Thank you. Our pleasure, sir.
I'm gonna doubt that there is a bomb in the car.
How many times do I have to save your ass?
I appreciate it. Of course.
Say, you look terrible.
No, I look retired.
Tired. You made a new life. You find your way back to it. It's time to go home. Let's get on with this. Whatever the fuck this is. Hello, Marcus.
This is John.
I appreciate you granted my son a swift death. Marcus betrayed me. You pulled the contract. And while it was open, you had every chance.
every opportunity to kill John Wick. And if you have done your job, my son will be still alive.
So, John, I had no choice. I always liked you, Marcus. The last of the old guard.
Miss Perkins, your membership to the Continental has been by thine own hand revoked. I know what you're thinking, Jonathan. We live by a code, which is why I'm not the one telling you with a certain helicopter to a certain helipad is being fueled for a certain someone. Fucking wrong with this guy? Somebody give me a gun. Who's got a gun?
Wow, how good he is.
My guy need a gun. English, please. Good luck. Russian cocksucker.
Oh, oh. Whoa, this was for seconds escape. You can shoot him. It's not so far away.
No more guns, dog. No more bullets.
Just shoot him.
What happened, John? We were professionals. Civilized. Do I look civilized to you?
All of those men couldn't stab him. And this old grandpa just stabbed him so easily.
Be seeing you, John. Yeah. Be seeing you.
Ah, the beginning.
Come on, John. Let's go home.
Wow. Ah. Oh, jeez. Yo. Beautiful. Hello.
It's okay.
Oh,
Let's go home.
oh. Bravo, John Wick. Good movie. I liked it. I liked that at the end he somehow turned out that he's next to a dog shelter or something like this and he took a puppy. Well, okay guys, bye. Love you. It was nice to watching with you, John Wick. I'll see you on the next one. Me and Reggae Dog, who is sleeping right over there, are gonna wait you for the next one. Bye.